Maria Tangoro James Oro umunyakero w'ekeombeke ky'abacholi ky'abana boda boda somujito bosombe era iga niho twachire asembeo na inde kuba manyina exercise kito nange tole gochaka ono registration na kuru schedule na mugo chikokore campaign during ekeromori achake kuburia chikura mochugwakerwa amo n'abarundi baito b'ekipilipili mochoboso igo twaikaiga asoko bamanyina twateba ng'oburayi bwensi bwabunirwa kobono rero iga twatangazire kegimanga as from on Friday this week ngoja tore registration na registration fee nchiri chiarengo chiri twa register ritangani nene chidoji gukora na chidoji koira koba chibesa chigoji koba register umuntu awo register
Maria Tangoro kumukaya Dennis tseno muri kyo monene asekiyombege gwake abana boda somo chicho bosongo within Kisii Town Boda Operator Association. No secretary, I've done what it costs me as my position. Oira amarubons pia relevant authorities, stakeholder management, so that what one chile toko exercise kebe free, transparent and credible. So inkote yabana boda bonsi somo chiyo bosongo babe no botoereru ase kitura chiko over deliver Banchirane and we are ready to serve them as their board of elections.
Maria Tangoro Corona Bikenani boda having received a notification from IEBC at boda saying that we will be very vacant we are Kisii Town to Anjera Nirenga Constitution go to allow to Korogochor to Mutinho. We want to notify the relevant authorities that we are having an election and we want security. We want to be just watakiro tokonya egere tonyora barai kwarangane richi ande kiagera bono baigo ire biroge bio bire vacant anjengo ryanga ko chairman wa Kisii Town egere tokolega sia Kisii County ya tubata na bana boda ese miake totero bosio
tot jenda ko joint board asabari tuwa kanisa tu tukaruka retro board ya Kisii boda njena bwa tamangana beroka ingana erimo kusaba kurose national government pato ikange kato jo conduct exercise yake egi yakabere county government nero boigo pato ya event support yakaregente kato ko gukora igo kirese county yito ya busongo bai
ya minga igongo tebanga serikali yetu ya national government na county government unabona toko endase chikure cyo jwa ko 17 mudengo 2024 bato security isaine because exercise kere kora uneli chiko ya boda neli chikeri ko kwana very clear ring after every 3 years twanda twaka chikura twarusokia baraya abago to represent as a county and national government chikura chichi aite tena tenente bone aspirant na ande bona ngo chinde gotenena digera tonyo libo gali ko represent abana boda as ebiwango byonsi alisota kere baba represented igo to sabanga abantu bonsi batobwatesie chikura cyako cyomulembe tonyora abaraya baya kyagere emyaka eri ya rwetu tatase bali bajo tu yaerire abaraya bangamba takere igo itisa concession okori toenda chikura
igo totagete chake tare moja ngoji korutore chi wiki ibere aspirant ba college campaign na kugori chikura erinderi toikere schedule yeto ya tare 17 eri tozi kogenda se ground bachora bara ibaito yorende abana boda bonsi semore igo na abasabanga gochakera on Friday onde bwensore interested na kerogo kende gions achiche aliadara jambiri open air market no twale ofisi yaito asogocha negetambulisho kiao ogocha nechibeso begeta sempesa enamba nero togochikurwa asogoto machibese chigochi
tokora constitutional polling yako tabanga must conduct elections after 3 years regardless of a good leader or but it depends on somebody's depends with somebody's tenure.
Kuna sababu mteniko electoral to elections kende tike yotora kibali na vitu aparete asengi jovoni roche on ground yoka is mostly welcome ne ground getagete ekerto nyora any resistance from both national and county government very mostly welcome as exercise
birogo paka bari baije esengenje chinga kichengire abali barachorbo yari tuaiteire baroche samagosa ande baberedi samagosa ile kanyasha rekagera nandi tutwagera nyora amagana kuno no gosario mone tabase kom tusubora
geko gera toko no bochori ne constitution yaite gotebanga we must conduct elections at the last day after 3 years.
Kotaka chinga kicho mo swara deshe kwenda ndoluchi kwala abantu baije kanya kubatirichi ya boda kitu kuma salama serikali yetu tuwatia sekonya